Like he's just. Look. These motherfuckers. Look how slow I have to stop. Just look. This is how they merge on. But yet they expect you to slow down and go, what, 38 miles on the highway. Look. This is why I don't let them in. This is why when I drive and I see somebody merging, I keep my right away. Because you get people like this. Now I got to go around him to go back to the speed limit. See this? Look, now I got to go back around him to do the speed limit. That's crazy. Look, he's braking. Why are you braking on the highway? Jesus. Now we all gotta stop, move over to the left because one person wants to double park. How selfish. KYC 8372.
I make sure I got everything, you know. I don't want to come back and get look at the car here and everything. Then she tried what happened? She said, no, I don't live with this. She said, how much you got in your car? I said, $291. $291? She like, she got like a sighting. $291? Yeah, $291. So I just put it down a little bit more, and then I make the difference, you know.
Save video.
I put down to 300, and I gave her the difference. So that's one of the suspicious too, you know. She went $290. So they don't care. When it comes to money, they don't care, you know, how good you are or what you treat her. I give her.
There's job. They have.